Hello guys, and welcome back to Kiroky Fraco's channel, and this is Rose. Today's video we are gonna showcase a new product from ZHIYUN, the CQ5. We have a tripod, USB-C for charging. It comes also with this AI sensor. The gimbal itself. First we have to put our tripod. To open, just pull it out. You're gonna hear a click and then unlock. Then you just turn this head. Our phone is connected. What we have to do is we have here on the side the on and off button, so we have to long press. And I have this AI sensor, so this is magnetic. Attach it here. This AI sensor, you can use this using your natural phone camera. Here guys, we're gonna go to my natural camera, phone natural camera. So we're gonna go to video. Let's try the AI tracking, this AI sensor that has been attached to our gimbal. So we're gonna go now to ZYcami application. So it's going to be here. Let's go inside. So we have this smart AI live. So we have the photo and the video, and shoot for 4K up to 60 frames per second. Press 3 times, change from back to front camera or front to back camera. And then we have this mode button. Press 1 for the different kind of modes, like the pan follow, the lock, follow, and the point of view. And we have here a button at the back. Press. Before I forgot, this gimbal also comes with a selfie stick. So you can bend this thing here for your preferred position. Let's go roam around and take some videos so we can see what kind of stabilization we get from this CQ5 phone gimbal. So let's go guys and test this product.
Breathing feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow.
So yes guys, that's our testing with the ZHIYUN CQ5 phone gimbal. So I want to say thank you to ZHIYUN for sending me try this out and test this product. So guys, I'm gonna link in the description box below about the information of this product, where you can buy this one, where you can get. So thank you guys for coming. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless. Bye!